in this question, we want to know what is the difference between mean and median when we are removing the highest salary. All right. Here you have these information down here, a bunch of numbers, a bunch of lists, and you're removing the highest one. You want to know how we calculate the mean and median. We're going to use our calculator, everybody. Let's take a look at our simulator to calculate these numbers. So we're going to go to Stat, we're going to go to Edit, and I'm going to enter everything in L5, right? So you have 1017781. This is the first number. The second number is 1017781, and then you have 1563518, and then you have 1563518 again. And the next number, which is located here, 1836090. The next number is 2681040. The next number is 4097561. The next number is 171,548. Now let me make sure this is entered correctly. It's not. Okay. 4171548. Here we go. Yes. And let me go to the next set of numbers on this side. You have 6012960. The next number is 8300123. The next number is 12960,123. The next number 15,625,123. Next number is 20,955,123. Then last number is 22,321,429. Here we go. So we entered everything. You want to find the mean and also the median. So now you're going to go to Stat. You're going to go to Calc. Use arrow key to go to Calc. It must be on one variable statistics. So hit enter. It must be on L5. So click on second 5. Frequency list must stay empty and go to the calculation to do the calculation. So this is your X bar. This is the average. If I ask you find the median, you can go down to the median. This number is the median that you have. So take a look. X bar, which is the average, and the median. Can basically compare these two. It seems like 7,437,373 is just the mean, and the median is 4,134,555. Remember that salary is an example of a skewed data set. So since it's skewed data set, you're going to use the median as a balancing point. When you have a skewed data set, we're not interested in using the mean. Mean doesn't give us any reliable information about the center or balancing point. For a skewed data set, you always use the median. Salaries, those types of data set that always is skewed. Housing prices, salary, those are mainly skewed data set. So you're going to use median to find the balancing point of the data. Remember that if you have a symmetric data set, mean, median, and mode, they are located on the horizontal line, and this specific number, which in this case is 8, is going to be the balancing point. But if you have a skewed data set, for example, this data set has a tail here. Since the tail here, you're going to say that, hey, it is skewed to the right. If the tail on the left-hand side, you're going to say that, hey, the data is skewed to the left-hand side. If you have skewed data set, the median is the best central value or the typical value for your data set. As you remember for previous measure of tendency, we saw that since the data is highly skewed, we don't use the mean. We're going to use the median to represent the center of the data.